Hop into the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 35,000 miles on the whether you're on a family road trip or doing the daily drive, the Equinox is your go-to vehicle. It's the elegant solution that blends advanced safety technology, passenger comfort, and SUV functionality. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control. Why settle for a vehicle that's merely functional when you can have style as well? Get into the Equinox and go places.